My name is Harshit, and I'm giving you the demo of the components which I made for the project infrastructure as a service. So, uh, I've done two modules. One is related to login authentication of the user, session management, user management, and the second one is creation of sensor nodes. So, let's start with the demo. So, this is the login screen. This is the sign up page. First, the user had to do the sign up, and once the account is created, he need he will do the login. The sign up page is done by another guy in my team. So for this, let's start. Also, the we are having two users. One is admin user, and the second one is normal user. The admin user can see the sensor node of all the users, and the normal user can see the sensor node of only uh, his sensor nodes. So let's start with the demo. My user ID. So we'll sign in. So we are signed in. So how we are doing the authentication in the DB? We had a table like uh, user table. In this user table, we are saving the details like first name, last name, and email and user ID and password. So we authentication by username and password. Okay. Now what we need to do is to create a sensor node. We need to select the location. Yeah, this is a Google Map API. This is done by another team member. So when I'll click, it will automatically pop the latitude and longitude. I will give the sensor name like sensor 10, and I'll click on create. See, so the sensor 10 is created. So it's in the start state. I use the AWS toolkit. So whenever we are starting the server, you can see that the server started in the AWS console. I made this application in Java. See, see this server. This is now in the running state. So we have like three states. It's like start, stop, and terminate state. You can see this server is stopped. We can also change the state of the server. If we'll click on the server, or if we'll click on the sensor node, the drop down you can select the action like you can stop it or you can terminate it. Okay, I'll choose the option to stop it. Submit. See, the node is coming in the stop state, and you can see in the AWS kit. Okay. See, now it is stopped. Okay, you can also start a node. See, now it's in the stop state. You can also start it. See, now in our portal it is coming in a start state. Now let's check in the AWS console. See, now it's running. Now what we can do it is we can terminate a node. Let's click on terminate. So this is the instance ID. See, DEC081. Now in our portal is shown as terminate DEC087. See, now you can see it's shutting down DEC0A7 and it will soon be terminated. Now you can see the node is terminated. Now let's come back to. So you have seen that uh, how to create a sensor, how to stop a sensor, how to start a sensor, how to terminate a sensor. So I also created this logout button. Uh, you can successfully logged out. I've implemented session management. Uh, if the user is not logged in, uh, it cannot see any other tabs. And if he'll click any other tab, then he'll be redirected to the login tab. See, he's clicking and he's redirecting to the login tab. The system is redirecting him to the login tab. So I've also make some roles like admin role and normal user role. Let's suppose I'll log in with the admin. Now you can see that I'm logged in with the admin. The admin can see sensor nodes of all the users. Admin can also create his own sensor nodes. So that's all for the demo. Thank you.